Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:39 p.m. June 30th, 2020. Last day of June. July 1st is tomorrow. We're looking at the SPY opening here, making its nice move up to the north side. Not that strong, but nice move for like 3 or 4 points. Then it consolidated for several hours of boredom. And then it popped in the late afternoon. This is what you can expect in summer trading most of the part is morning action, dead lunch, late day moves. And that's when you have to be prepared. So if you need to work out or go take lunch, it's worth it. Just go, get out of here. Even if a trade sets up, get out of here. You can get chopped out pretty good. And that's how I find it. And I'm avoiding this at all costs unless something really sets up. And that's what I was doing a little bit of in the past. And if I can avoid this, I was probably negative. So if I avoid this, then I don't have to worry about being negative on that. So anyway, let's get into some of the action today. I took a couple calls. I was actually on top of 2 trades before they were announced in the room I'm in. This was a big player. This is actually a call over 3. It's actually just a perfect chart. I mean, this is just really pretty for a low price stock. Someone called this breakout here of this red candle from a 2 to almost to $3, and then the secondary move through 3 never looked back all the way to $5, and it's trading at 5.15 in the after hours with 142 million shares of volume. So a big 274% move, just significant. That was a solid one. I did take Workhorse today, which has been one of those electric plays. It's definitely hot. Took the break at this level here on this candle. I did not take full advantage, of course. I just took the break here, kind of chopped down, came below my entry, and I got out before it ran to 20. This is a stock that can move really quick, and I didn't really want it to dump on me. And fortunately, it did not, but unfortunately, it went without me. The biggest stock of the day that I missed, well, actually, I shouldn't say there's 2. NKLA, another electric play. I saw this candle in the morning. I'm like, okay, if it breaks this candle's opening price right here, I'm trading it. And it did it right here. 67 just kind of flew up really nice. But guess what? I got jumped. I set an order of 67.13 limit when I was watching the price come in, and it just jumped me. I don't know what's going on with TradeStation. I don't think it was me, because I was looking at the price points. I actually recorded the trade, and I feel like I should have got filled, but I did not. So that was unfortunate. It did set up again at 68. I took a little bit off of 68, but we'll move on. The other stock today, or probably the biggest stock today. Oh, actually, I was looking at FSLY. It made some nice moves. The 83 break on this candle, didn't let it wiggle down to the 8. And on this candle, where was it? I believe it was here. Where's the low? Yeah, here it is. So it broke here, 83.29, came down to 82.75 low. I didn't give it its 25 cents, and I got stopped out for a loss. But look what happened. Went all the way up to 84, almost $85. So at the end of the day, I saw all this craziness. I actually took a break 85 and made up a little bit for it. I got like 60 cents off, so that was pretty good. So that kind of did, I think I broke even on the trade total. Actually, I ended up down 22. So I was actually, down like $60-$80 on the first trade. And then I got back to like only losing about $23. So that wasn't too bad. The GAN was another one I've been watching. I watched yesterday for the break of the 2650 level, and that happened right away. I mean, it was on like, look at this, yesterday's high, around 2669 was its high. So 2650 was a good number to take through, and it just blew right through 2650 and ran up to 2850 without really looking back. Just a nice trade there. The biggest trade of the day was Tesla. Tesla was a monster. We're talking, I took a trade here at the 33 level, tried to get through 33 here. Look, you can see the high is 1033. I took a break at 1033 here and ran up to around 1038.99, but then pulled back and I was pretty much out. But guess what? Came back to this EMA and launched all the way up to 1087. I did take another move down here on the break of this candle here. So Tesla was my bigger winner. I had $100 off Tesla and a couple other small winners. So I ended up with $151 today. Should have been bigger, of course, and I will work on holding longer, not getting out so quick, letting it work against me if it has to. Protect my entry, of course, but let the stock do what it needs to do to make its move to the north side. I'll take it for the last day of June, ending in a positive note, and hopefully go into July, into the weekend with a couple nice days. We got Wednesday and Thursday of trading, and then we'll get into the July 4th weekend. Next week, I think I'm doing some kind of mentoring session, which will be awesome because we'll have 3 days of just straight up working with one of the best traders I've ever met, and he's awesome. So I'm going to hopefully learn more and hopefully take some good trades next week. So that pretty much sums it up for June 30th and June altogether. Positive month, which is good. I don't have the exact number, but it's not great. I'm trading small share size. I'm hoping to ramp that up a little bit because I got to start making some money. And we'll go from there. So see you tomorrow. Make sure you like and subscribe, and have a good one.